So how do you remove an event from the calendar on iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanation videos like this one. So of course you can open up the calendar application as usual, and if there is an event, you can tap on it like this, and at the bottom you should see the delete event, right? So that is how you can find it. This is how you can delete, but of course it only applies to the events that you have created yourself or those that you have access to, and only there you can delete it. However, what could also be going on is that you have multiple different calendars which you are subscribing to. And perhaps if you are having access to a public calendar or whatever, then you will not be able to delete the event. You can only hide it. And that would work by going to the calendar view by clicking at the bottom right here. And there are different calendar types, and you can uncheck those which you don't want to show up currently on your camera view, right? So that would be the way to do it. Or you can also just click the eye icon, the information icon, and delete the whole calendar if you don't want to subscribe to it anymore, right? So that is a different approach, because you're not deleting the event because perhaps you don't have access to, because it might be someone else's calendar, but you can hide it and delete the whole thing from your phone. So I hopefully managed to explain to you how it works. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and straight to the point tutorials like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.